So, neurological disorders. Actually, Ayurveda says a lot about this. Neurological, in the sense, it is nothing but Vata. Because Vayus Tantra Yantra Dharaha means Vata is like a software which runs the body, which is the hardware. So everything, movements, planning, and distribution, transportation, and perception, all the functions are due to Vata. Pitta is also there. Pitta is for the transformation. But even though Pitta makes the transformation, proper distribution, proper courier services and all through Vata. So when the Kapha is reducing, Vata will increase. Because Vata and Kapha are completely opposite. So when Vata is increasing, mainly the dryness will increase. To overcome that, we need to increase the Kapha. So when it is equilibrium, everything goes normal. But when Vata increases a lot, then the stiffness or not perceiving properly or pain and all these common things which happens with Vata. But recently we are seeing so many neurological disorders like Parkinson's, we can say, MND, ALS. So all these diseases, the rare diseases we are finding, which is mainly because of the Vata. If Vata is disturbed, there are 80 diseases we get. If Pitta is disturbed, 40 diseases. If the Kapha is disturbed, 20 diseases. So the most number of diseases are from Vata. At the same time, in the Panchakarma also, we treat mostly the Vata. If we take the Abhyanga, if we take the Bastis or anything, so mainly if we control the Vata, rest of all the other things will be controlled. So one of the main thing which we are missing is everyday Abhyanga. That is the easiest and simplest thing to overcome Vata. Vata is nothing but the dryness. If at all it is dry, if we apply some grease, if the door is making noise, what we put? We put the oil. So similarly, whatever the dryness is there, externally we have to apply the oil. Similarly, internally also we have to take lubricants. That is nothing but the easiest, the best one is ghee. Ghee intake in the food. That will improve the moist inside the body. Everybody thinks dryness means drinking water. Water itself increases the dryness because water is also dry. So, ghee and oil are the main things. But nowadays, because of the modern science and the doctors, cardiologists, and all, they recommend refined oils and refined and double refined oils, super refined oils. There are. So, those are oils, but even though it is completely dry. So, when you are taking the refined oils, you are not making any unctuous thing. You are creating more dryness. So, to compensate that, liver produces more fat. That is why, even though if nobody is taking any fat things, many people are having fatty livers. If you scan, they say grade 1 fatty liver or grade 2 fatty liver, grade 2 to grade 3 fatty liver, like that. So, after that, when it produces the fat, then after the grade 3 fatty liver, the liver fibrosis will happen. So it will completely dry up. So if we are adding the unctuous thing into our food and also a regular abhyanga, it can prevent so many diseases. Actually,